Google Pixel 10 Pro versus Oppo Find X9 Pro. The Oppo Find X9 Pro takes the crown in display size and brightness with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen delivering up to 3300 nits peak brightness, perfect for vibrant outdoor viewing, compared to the Pixel 10 Pro's smaller 6.3-inch LTPO OLED with 2200 nits peak. Oppo's Dolby Vision support also elevates visual quality, making it the better choice for media lovers craving the brightest, most immersive display. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro's Google Tensor G5 chipset, built on a 3nm process with a powerful Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3.78 GHz, edges out Oppo's MediaTek Dimensity 9500 by offering a more advanced CPU architecture, which translates into smoother multitasking and AI performance. This makes the Pixel the go-to for users who prioritize cutting-edge processing speed and efficiency. When it comes to the main camera, Oppo Find X9 Pro's staggering 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens steals the spotlight, offering unmatched zoom capabilities and detail capture, outclassing the Pixel's 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. For photography enthusiasts craving extreme detail and versatility, Oppo's camera setup is a game-changer. The Pixel 10 Pro shines with its unique Pixel Shift and Ultra HD features, enhancing color accuracy and dynamic range in photos, while Oppo banks on Hasselblad color calibration for natural tones. Pixel's software-driven photography magic gives it an edge for users who want stunning shots without fiddling with settings. Battery endurance is dominated by the Oppo Find X9 Pro's massive 7,550 mAh battery, nearly 55% larger than Pixel's 4,870 mAh cell, promising longer screen-on time and less frequent charging, a clear win for heavy users and travelers. Both phones sport premium glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the Pixel 10 Pro uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both sides, offering superior scratch and drop resistance compared to Oppo's Gorilla Glass, making it more durable for everyday wear and tear. Water and dust protection is robust on both, but Oppo Find X9 Pro goes further with IP69 rating, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets, not just immersion. This extra ruggedness is a big plus for those needing serious durability. Pixel 10 Pro offers higher RAM options up to 16 GB across all storage variants, ensuring smoother performance in multitasking scenarios, while Oppo caps at 12 GB RAM for lower storage tiers, making Pixel a better choice for power users. Price-wise, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is more affordable at $850 compared to Pixel 10 Pro's $999, offering more screen real estate and battery for less cash. But does cheaper mean better? That's up for debate, depending on what you value most.